Moving over a map has never been so easy with Map Route Generator. You can shift your camera from point A to point B and touch endless other points on a map. And you can do this simply by placing the locators on the stop. The script does all the rest automatically. Practical applications and available styles are very many. You can choose to move over any kind of map. You can link the stops using different preset trackers, and the carrier can draw a white, colored, or dash route. You choose, the script executes your orders. You can ask the camera to follow the path, rotate around tracker, or free move between the points, or use the random seed button to choose among unlimited camera animations. Map Route Generator also lets you insert photos or videos in 20 different typologies of callouts with or without texts. And you have a choice of 10 pin styles to locate your stops. The script gives you the possibility of simply passing through a point while en route to the next one, or you can stop in each point for a while. If you need to create a context for your route, you can choose among 3 pre-rendered intro scenes. And don't be deceived, maps are not only used in geography. You can use Map Route Generator to move over a body map describing with a concise text muscles or functions. Or you can use it on a tube map to explain the route to your place. Discover all about this powerful, groundbreaking template and script. Buy now, Map Route Generator.